Hi guys and welcome to this C tutorial. In this tutorial we will be learning how to define a variable and then we will write a code in which we will see how to sum two different variables. So let's begin. So we are in the VS Code right now and here I am adding a folder in the workspace. It's a better practice to save some specific kind of task in a specific folder. For me, this is lab 2, so I am saving it in lab 2 folder. Click on yes here. Make sure that this is drop down and click on new file. And here I am writing the name of the task. For me, this is task 1. So I'm writing task underscore 1 dot C. Dot C is the file extension for C coding. And here I am writing a comment since I'm explaining it for variable definition, and also I'm going to explain the format specifier only for the integer data type. So let's write the code. First we always import the library, so I'm writing here hash include, and in these angle brackets I'm writing stdio.h, and after that I'm writing the main function, so I'm writing int main, and in between these two curly brackets I'm writing return 0. So we always write these things while writing the C code. As we are doing this task for the integer data type, so I'm writing here as int, and then I'm going to define two different variables a and b. So a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 15. I am assigning these random variables. You can assign any value to these. And after that, make sure that you are typing semicolon at the end of the line. So that's how very simply and easily we can define these variables. Now let's use these variables to write a code for sum. While writing this code, I will explain you the concept of format specifier. Since we have two variables a and b, so I can write it as the sum of variable a and variable b is a plus b. But here I will write the sum of %d and %d is %d. Basically, %d is format specifier for integer data type. Since we have two variables, so after these inverted commas, I can call them. So first %d should be a, comma, second %d should be b, and the third one should be a plus b. So in a sequence, we are calling them. The sum of a and b is a plus b. And now let's run this code in order to see the output in terminal. So here you can see it is written the sum of 5 and 15 is 20. And now if you can match here, we have variable a which is 5, variable b which is 15, and we can manually check that 5 plus 15 is equal to 20. So the code is correct. So that's how we define variables and we use format specifier for integer data type. So that's all for this video guys. See you in the next video.